Your contacts are valuable. Whether switching phones or avoiding data loss, it's important to know how to export contacts from your Infinix. This video shows easy ways to back them up or transfer safely. Way 1. Export contacts from Infinix to computer safekeeping. Looking for reliable backup and restore software to transfer contacts between your Infinix phone and PC. Mobican Backup Manager for Android is a top choice for all Android users. It stands out for its ease of use, security, speed. Step 1. Open the software and connect your Infinix via USB. Step 2. Enable USB debugging if needed, then click Backup. Step 3. Select the types of data you wish to back up. Then, designate a location on your computer for storage. Finally, click on Backup to transfer the Infinix data to this computer. Way 2. Export entire contact list from Infinix to new phone. Transferring contacts from Infinix to a new smartphone is easy with Mobican Transfer for mobile Windows and Mac. It supports selective data transfer across Android and iOS devices, including messages, call logs, photos, videos, and more. How do I transfer all my contacts from my Infinix to a new phone at once? Install and launch the tool on your PC. Connect both Infinix phones via USB. Once detected, ensure the target device is on the right. Click Flip if needed. Select Contacts and click Start Copy. Way 3. Export contact details from Infinix to Google SIM storage. Option 1. Google Contacts menu. Export Google Confirm. Option 2. SIM Contacts. Export to SIM. Select Confirm. Option 3. Storage Contacts. Export. Choose Location. Confirm. Way 4. Export contacts from Infinix to various locations. Open Play Store. Install an Export Contacts app. Allow permissions. Select contacts and export to storage or cloud. Tap Export and confirm.